Live with the news where you live. 8 News at 6 starts now.
Today, Richmond parents and students joining a nationwide protest supporting federal funding for public schools. This comes after the White House directed cuts to the Department of Education last week. You're watching 8 News at 6. I'm Deanna Albritton.
I'm Eric Phillips. 8 News reporter Danelle Dukin is live with the mission behind this movement. Danelle, good evening.
I'm here at Westover Hills Elementary School, one of 3 Richmond public schools where those walk-in events were held this morning. Organizers say these sweeping cuts made to the Department of Education have them concerned over the consequences that students could face. Before the first school bell rang, groups rallied outside of several Richmond public schools, including Westover Hills Elementary. Parents and educators gathered to protest the cuts to nearly half of the Department of Education's workforce as the Trump administration moves to eliminate the agency.
These cuts would have dramatic impacts on children in our communities, particularly students with disabilities.
Katie Franzel teaches at Westover Hills Elementary and helped lead today's rally with the Richmond Education Association. Protesters were also joined by Senator Ghazala Hashmi as they expressed concerns that a loss of federal funding could mark the end of programs that support low-income students and children with disabilities.
Public education is under threat. It's under the most serious crisis that it's ever been under in the last several generations.
We need to continue fully funding our public schools so that schools can be strong, safe, and fully funded in order to provide the safest environment and rigorous learning opportunities for students.
Governor Glenn Youngkin weighed in on the DOE cuts, saying the federal changes we're seeing could signal a positive shift for Virginia's schools.
I do believe that the top priority for actions at the federal government are going to be to move responsibility for education from the federal government to the states. And I think that's a positive for us.
Although it's unclear when we could start to see the local impacts of those cuts, the Richmond Education Association says their goal today was to show a strong sign of support from the community for the need to protect public schools. Live in Richmond, Danelle Dukin, 8 News.